Hey, this is Jason Moss of Georgia Manufacturing Alliance, and we're getting ready for the summit. We're loading the trucks and headed over to the Cobb Galleria, and we can't wait to see you there. If you're registered, make sure that you attend early. Registration opens up at 7:30. The event itself will kick off at 8:30, so everybody needs to be in your seat by 8:30. We have got over 30 unbelievable industry experts that are going to be sharing best practices. It's going to be a great day. So again, I'd encourage you, if you've not registered, you still have time. You can register online at georgiamanufacturingsummit.com. There is one question that keeps coming up. We've got 2 or 3 emails about it. People are a little bit concerned with parking because the Braves game is going to be tomorrow night. The game doesn't start till 5 o'clock, so that's not going to impact us at all. As long as you're in the parking deck and you check in parking before noon, you'll be able to get the $5 parking. Beyond that, you'd have to pay the regular Braves parking. So no worries, we're in good shape. But look forward to seeing you guys at the summit. If you have any questions, we're going to be here at the office till 3 o'clock. Anything after that, we'll respond by email. So you can send it to support@georgiamanufacturing.com. But again, one other couple things we'll cover. Make sure that when we have a speaker on the stage, make sure we really respect the speakers on stage and no talking in the area. And then there's also no soliciting of our exhibitors or anybody that's at the summit. The exhibitors paid a lot of money to be there, so we want to make sure we honor them. So no distribution of any materials outside of the booth areas. And again, we've got a killer day lined up. We're excited you're going to be there, and we're looking forward to seeing you there.